Welcome to the Masked English Listening Channel. Hello, everyone. Today's story is called Cafe Vocabulary. In this video, you will follow a simple and slow story about Taylor and Sam. They are going to a coffee shop. You will learn many useful English words for ordering coffee, choosing milk, and buying pastries. I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. Here is today's question. What kind of milk does Sam order for his coffee? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
Scene 1. Arriving at the cafe.
Wow! It smells so good in here, Taylor. I love the smell of coffee.
Yes, me too. This is my favorite cafe. A cafe is a small restaurant that sells coffee, tea, and small foods.
It is very busy today. There are many people sitting at the tables.
Yes, many people come here to drink coffee and work on their laptops.
Where do we buy the coffee?
We buy the coffee at the counter over there. The person making the coffee is called a barista.
A barista? What is a barista?
A barista is the worker who makes and serves coffee in a cafe. They know how to make many different drinks.
I see. The barista works at the counter. Let's go look at the menu. I need a drink.
Scene 2. Types of coffee.
Okay. I am looking at the menu on the wall. But there are so many words. I don't understand them.
Don't worry, Sam, I will help you. What kind of coffee do you like? Do you like strong coffee or sweet coffee?
I don't like very strong coffee.
Okay, first look at the word espresso. Espresso is a very small, very strong, and very dark coffee. It comes in a tiny cup.
Oh, no espresso for me. That is too strong. What is an Americano?
An Americano is espresso mixed with hot water. It is like regular black coffee.
Black coffee? Does it have milk?
No, black coffee has no milk and no sugar, just coffee and water.
I like milk in my coffee. What should I order?
You can order a latte or a cappuccino.
What is the difference between a latte and a cappuccino?
Good question. A latte is espresso with a lot of hot milk. It is very smooth and milky. A cappuccino is espresso, a little hot milk, and a lot of milk foam.
Foam? What is foam?
Foam is bubbles made from milk. It sits on top of the coffee. It is very light and fluffy.
Foam sounds nice, but I think I want a latte. A latte with a lot of milk.
Okay, a latte is a great choice.
Scene 3. Choosing sizes and milk.
Now, what size do you want?
Size? How big are the cups?
Most cafes have 3 sizes: small, regular, and large. Sometimes regular is called medium.
Small, regular, large. I am very thirsty. I want a large latte.
A large latte. Next, you need to choose your milk.
Choose my milk? Isn't milk just milk?
Not anymore. Cafes have many kinds of milk now. The normal milk from a cow is called whole milk or regular milk.
Okay, regular milk is from a cow. What else do they have?
Look at the menu. They also have dairy-free milk. Dairy-free means it does not come from a cow. They have oat milk, almond milk, and soy milk.
Oat milk? Almond milk. That sounds interesting.
Yes, oat milk is made from oats. Almond milk is made from nuts called almonds. Many people like oat milk in their coffee because it is sweet and creamy.
I want to try something new today. I will have a large latte with oat milk.
Perfect. A large oat milk latte.
Scene 4, hot versus iced and ordering food.
Wait, Sam, do you want it hot or iced?
Hot or iced?
Yes. Hot means the coffee is warm. Iced means the coffee has ice cubes in it. It is very cold.
It is a hot day outside today. So, I want an iced latte. An iced large oat milk latte.
That sounds delicious. I am going to get a hot Americano.
Do they sell food here? I am a little hungry.
Yes, look inside of the glass display case. They have pastries.
Pastries. What are pastries?
Pastries are baked sweet foods made with flour, butter, and sugar. Look, they have croissants, muffins, and cookies.
What is that bread shaped like a moon?
That is a croissant. It is a very famous French pastry. It is flaky and buttery.
A croissant. That looks good. But I want that big chocolate cake.
That is a chocolate muffin. It is like a small sweet cake.
Yes, I will buy a chocolate muffin to eat with my coffee.
Okay, I will buy a plain croissant. Let's go to the barista and order.
Scene 5, placing the order.
Hello, welcome to the cafe. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I would like a small hot Americano, please. And a plain croissant.
One small hot Americano and one plain croissant. And for you, sir?
Hello? I would like an iced large latte, please.
Okay, an iced large latte. What kind of milk would you like with that?
Oat milk, please.
Great. An iced large oat milk latte. Would you like anything to eat?
Yes, I'd like a chocolate muffin, please.
Is this for here or to go?
For here or to go? What does that mean?
For here means we will sit at a table in the cafe and eat. To go means we will take the food outside and leave. Some people say eat in or take away.
Oh, I understand. We want to sit down. So, for here, please.
For here. Excellent. Your total is $14.50. You can pay with cash or card.
I will pay with my card.
Please tap your card on the machine. Thank you. Here is your receipt. What is your name for the order?
My name is Sam.
Thank you, Sam. Please wait at the end of the counter. I will call your name when your drinks are ready.
Scene 6, accessories and waiting.
Let's stand over here and wait, Sam.
Look at this small table, Taylor. What are all these things?
This is the condiment station. You can find extra things for your coffee here.
What are these small paper things?
Those are napkins. We use napkins to clean our mouths or hands after we eat. Let's take 2 napkins for our pastries.
Okay, 2 napkins. And what are these small wooden sticks?
Those are stirrers. We use a stirrer to mix sugar or milk into our coffee. Do you need a stirrer?
No, my latte is already mixed. And it is iced. Oh, look! There are little packets of sugar here, too.
Yes, white sugar and brown sugar. If your coffee is not sweet, you can add sugar.
Iced large oat milk latte and a small hot Americano for Sam.
That's me. Our coffee is ready.
Thank you. Let's take our tray and find a table.
Scene 7. Sitting down and reviewing.
This table near the window is nice.
Yes, it is very comfortable. Oh, let me check my phone. Do you see the Wi-Fi password anywhere?
Wi-Fi password? Oh, look on the receipt. It says Wi-Fi password, Coffee Lover 2026.
Thank you, Sam. Now I can connect to the internet. Let's taste our food.
Wow, this iced latte with oat milk is very good. It is sweet and cold, and my chocolate muffin is soft.
My hot Americano is perfect, too. You did a great job ordering today, Sam.
Thank you. Let's review the cafe words I learned today.
Okay, who makes the coffee?
The barista makes the coffee. We order at the counter.
Very good. What is an Americano?
An Americano is espresso and water. A latte is espresso with a lot of milk. And a cappuccino has milk foam or bubbles on top.
What sizes do they have?
Small, regular, and large. And they have regular cow's milk, or dairy-free milk like oat milk and almond milk.
Did you want your drink hot or cold?
I wanted it cold, so I ordered an iced coffee.
What did we buy from the glass case?
We bought pastries. You got a croissant, and I got a muffin.
And when the barista asked for here or to go, what did you say?
I said for here, because we wanted to sit inside. If we wanted to leave, I would say to go or take away.
And finally, what did we get from the small table?
We got napkins to wipe our hands, and you showed me the stirrers to mix the coffee.
Perfect. You know all the cafe vocabulary now. You can go to any coffee shop in the world.
Yes, I feel very confident. Now, let's finish our coffee and enjoy the view from the window.
How was it? I hope this video helped you learn many useful English words for ordering at a cafe. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What kind of milk does Sam order for his coffee? Did you get it right? Please write your answer in the comments section. Writing complete sentences helps you practice real English output. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but practical tips for everyday situations. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, and please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye for now.